channel. So today I have a review for you from Unice Hair. I am wearing three bundles of a 22-inch body wave with a 20-inch frontal. I also colored this hair a deep red and plucked the hairline and kind of worked a little bit of magic, finessed as best as I could. And I must say, so far I'm so proud of myself when it comes to this wig. Blood, sweat, and tears, and late nights, not really, but all the effort that I did put into it, and it came out fabulous. And I'm so happy with the hair, with this wig, and all that great stuff. Before I get into all that jazz, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That is down, will it be down here or over here? Somewhere down up in here. So I did make this wig myself, and I did end up using all three bundles of hair, and I did color the hair as well. So as far as how I colored the hair, I know you cannot really see in this video, but that will be in my next video. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. This hair is bomb. Like, I love it. I don't have many issues with it, let's just put it that way. My goods are so much better than my cons. Speaking of pros and cons, let's get right into those. So I'm gonna start with the pros of this hair. Why not? Most people start with cons. I'm gonna go ahead and start with pros. Color took well. The frontal already pretty much comes pre-plucked. Like, I really did not have to do anything if I didn't want to with this frontal, which I love getting frontals like that. This is another frontal that is amazing, especially if you are a beginner wig maker and you don't customize. Like, I don't do all that kind of stuff. You really don't have to do much, if anything, with this frontal from Unice Hair. When I received the hair was soft, beautiful, no tangling, all that kind of stuff. I don't know, you guys, I'm just really liking it. As far as any like tangles that I have right now, I don't have any tangles. I don't have any. I've got a little bit of shedding, but I knew I was gonna get shedding. I don't know how people come and they say they don't get any shedding. Everyone gets shedding. I don't care if it's a wig, if it's a wig that you made, if it's a wig that you received, it gets shedding. It's just the amount of shedding what you're gonna get. And so far, I'm not getting much anything, so it's nothing really to speak about. One of the big reasons why I went on ahead and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and try them out. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, was because my sister-in-law ordered hair before. Like, I think she ordered it last year. I could be wrong. I want to say it was last year, and she loves it. So I was like, okay, well, she wants to steer me wrong, so I'm gonna go ahead. If Alicia like it, then I'm gonna just go ahead and just try it out. And I'm so glad I took the plunge and I did it. My biggest and only con, I think I'm gonna say, yeah, my only con was that this is supposed to be body wave hair, and after I colored it, I only colored the hair once. I didn't really get any body back. I also don't know if maybe that happened too because I colored it. I'm not really sure, but that's my only con. I've got to be straight up with you guys. I noticed like a tiny, it's not even enough to say it's a body wave, but I just noticed in some areas of the wig after it, you know, I made it after it dried and all that kind of stuff, that it may have waved up, but not really, not enough to call this a true body wave. I did something different with this wig, and I didn't really add in that much baby hair. I added in just a tiny bit, and I just wanted to do something different. I kind of think it gives it a little bit more of a mature vibe. Not saying that baby hair is for the youngins or anything like that, because I love me some baby hair. I don't care what nobody say. But I don't know, I just wanted something different. That's the whole point of wigs. You can just do what you want and experiment, and if you don't like it, get another one, change it up. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope it was helpful. I don't know, I love the hair. I think this is one of the best wigs, one of the best frontals, and the hair is just great quality. It's just great quality. Like, I see why people love it, and I'm super happy and super glad that I gave it a chance. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll be back. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.